Ready to sow the seeds of family fun? It's time to dive into the world of gardening. Imagine your family's very own green haven, bursting with colorful flowers, fragrant herbs, and even tasty veggies. Whether you have a sprawling yard, or a cozy corner, or just a balcony, gardening fits like a glove. Step 1. Choose your gardening adventure: veggies, herbs, or flowers that bloom with every color of the rainbow. Step 2. Roll up those sleeves and get your hands dirty. Together, you'll plant, water, and nurture your little green wonders. If you've got space, each family member can have their own garden plot, blooming with their personal favorites. No space? How about a flower pot, one for each member of the family? The best part? Gardening teaches patience, hard work, and the sweet rewards of perseverance. So let's get planting and watch the family garden grow, one tiny miracle at a time. Get ready to dig into memories that'll bloom forever.